If you're a W-2 wage earner working in the legal cannabis industry and you've been thinking about buying a home, but you've been hearing through the grapevine that maybe people that work in your industry may be having a problem qualifying for a traditional mortgage, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Bissen. I'm a mortgage loan originator in Tampa, Florida. My office works with people who work in the legal cannabis industry, both as the W-2 worker as well as the business owner. In this video, we're going to cover what it's like to apply for this kind of mortgage as a W-2 wage earner. Since you work in the legal cannabis industry, it probably won't surprise you that the federal government's at the heart of some of the problems with mortgage lending when it comes to lending to people in the legal cannabis industry. And that extends to most banks and credit unions. Most banks and credit unions to this day still will not lend to anybody who is a worker or a business owner in the legal cannabis industry. That includes conventional loans, FHA, VA, and USDA loans as well. But there are solutions for you. So in this video, we're going to be covering what it's like to get this kind of loan. So let's jump right in. First, before we get started, just a quick housekeeping note for the channel. If you like this sort of content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to share this video with somebody that you know or care about who works in the legal cannabis industry. In this video, we're going to cover the following topics: why banks and credit unions deny loans to people who work in the cannabis industry, features and benefits, and how to qualify for this loan program. First, let's cover the elephant in the room. The reason why so many banks and credit unions have a problem with lending to employees in the cannabis industry is that they usually have some sort of direct or indirect contact with the federal government through the banking system. The federal government's official position on cannabis, of course, is that it's a Schedule I substance, making any income that you would earn from such a business illegal, whether or not your state allows it for either medicinal or recreational purposes. Even though from a technical standpoint, you should be able to get a conventional loan from just about anywhere, most banks or credit unions impose something called a credit overlay, which is just industry speak for their own rules or restrictions. And many of them have decided not to originate, purchase, or service loans with income derived from your industry. On the other hand, government-insured loans such as FHA, VA, and USDA are crystal clear on this subject. But their answer is no. Their loan types require the federal government to insure the loan, and they will not insure loans because they have cannabis-based income. If you want more information on this particular topic and want to go down that rabbit hole, I'll include a link in the description below for more information. But keeping it simple, here's a list of the common loan types as they relate to W-2 wage earner cannabis income. Let's go over the features and benefits. The first thing you need to know is that our loan program is the exact same loan program you might find at your local bank or credit union. In fact, the only difference is that we don't have any restrictions about your industry income. Let's cover some of the basics. These are 30-year fixed-rate terms. There are no prepayment penalties. The minimum down payment for first-time home buyers is 3%, and for experienced home buyers, it's 5%. Private mortgage insurance. Unless your down payment is 20% or greater of the purchase price, you'll have something called PMI or private mortgage insurance. PMI is a small insurance premium that's built into your monthly payment, and it's there to protect the lender in the event that you default on making your monthly payments. PMI is cancelable over time and is there until you achieve a 20% ownership interest or greater in the home's value. This type of loan can be used to purchase a primary residence, second or vacation home, or even an investment property. Eligible property types include single-family homes, townhomes or villas, 2 to 4 unit multifamily homes, and condominiums. The minimum credit score to qualify for this program is 620. Here's how to qualify. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do to begin the application is to head over to unconventionallending.com. Now, once you hit the homepage, you'll have a couple of different options. You can either go up to the main menu and hit the Apply Login button up here, or you can head down to the green Get Pre-Approved button. Let's start there first. Either one, they're going to take you to the same place, which is our application preloading screen. Now, it's going to explain a little bit about the process. There's a login button for you to come back later. And of course, the next step in the process is to grab a document checklist. And you're going to want to pick the one that says Cannabis W-2 Workers Only. So click on that and it's going to load up a PDF that you can print off and use as a checklist for the process. We're heading back to the application. We're going to scroll down and we're going to head over and hit this green New Application Create Account button. Now when that loads up, You're going to be prompted to create a username and password. Just make sure it's something that you can remember. We do it this way so that you can pause the application, grab lunch or dinner, and you can come back without losing your place. It also sets up your virtual environment so that when you're done with the application, you can begin uploading the documents straight into the loan. Once we receive the application and the checklist documents, we'll get right to work on your loan approval. In most cases, we can have a lending decision within 1 business day, and in many cases, the same day. Most of our loans close in about 30 to 45 days, and we'll work closely with the professionals in your real estate transaction to ensure a smooth process and a timely closing. And that's it. We hope you found this information helpful and takes the mystery out of it all. If you like this sort of content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with somebody that you know who works in the legal cannabis industry. And of course, if you're looking to purchase, refinance, or get pre-approved to purchase your next dream home, we would love the opportunity to assist you. I'm Derek Bissen, and this is Unconventional Lending.